Good evening, everyone. North Georgia Box Breaks here with another Pokemon trading card game box break. Here are tonight's auction winners. And tonight we are doing a booster box of Legendary Treasures. It has 36 booster packs in it. And to keep this video under 15 minutes, I am going to just be showing the Radiant Collections, the Reverse Holos, and the Rares. But all cards will be shipped out. So I have an EX in here already. We have Garbodor, and we have an Excadrill EX, and Radiant Collection is a Piplup. Always nice to start off with an EX. And as usual, all the rares and holos and Radiant Collections will be sent out in top loaders. We have a Gible, a Phione, and a full art Reshiram. I haven't opened too many of these boxes, so I apologize if I'm screwing up some of these names. Tornadus, Seismitoad, and a full art Mew. A very nice start. Nicest start I've seen to a box in a while, actually. We have a Genesect, a Empoleon, and a Stunfisk. A Zwillius, a Gallade, and a Growlithe. A Tepig, Tangrowth, and another full art Shaymin EX. Sigilyph, Mismagius, and an Eevee. Mewtwo, Toxicroak, and Piplup. Kirlia, Gyarados, and Emolga full art. Tangela, Keldeo EX, and a Pikachu. Meloetta, another Mismagius, and a Growlithe. Zekrom, Holo, Ninetales, and a full art Meloetta. Xatu, a Reshiram EX, and a Purloin. Terrakion, another Gyarados, and another Stunfisk. Garchomp, a Toxicroak, and another Eevee. Kyurem, Xatu, and another Pikachu. Charmander, regular Meloetta, and the Gardevoir. Lucario, Renoupus, and a Cincino, and I'm sure I messed up those names there. Alright, we're halfway through this booster box. Another Reshiram, another Meloetta, and another Full Art Meloetta EX. Cobalion, another Kyurem EX, and a Full Art Reshiram. Solosis, Renoupus, and a Purlion. Another Garchomp, Seismitoad, and a Cinccino. Cinccino Hollow, Nucleus, and Stunfisk again. Samurott, Ninetales, and Purlion. Emolga, another Seismitoad, and another Pikachu. All cards will be shipped out Monday morning. Hydreigon, Empoleon, and a Serperior. Victini, Fion, and a Full Art Emolga. Misdreavus, a Gallade, and a Growlithe. A Servine, a White Kyurem EX, and a Cinccino. Terrakion, another Ninetales, and Eevee. Racking up the Ninetales and Seismitoads this time. Livany, Mismagius, and Purloin. Dwebble, Xatu, and Piplup. Genesect, Gyarados, and Pikachu. Yep, we got 3 packs to go. We have a reverse holo Ninetales, Tangrowth, and a just regular Moletta EX. So 2 full arts and 1 regular of those. Alright, I got a Moletta holo. We have a Mewtwo EX and a Serperior. And last pack, we have a Landorus, a Toxicroak, and a Gardevoir. Alright, that does it for today's breaks. I do have another Japanese auction up right now for the Wild Blaze equivalent, or I'm sorry, Flashfire equivalent called Wild Blaze. So there are Mega Evolutions in that of Charizard, a couple of those, and Mega Kangaskhan as well. So feel free to check that out. That will be ending around 2 o'clock on Sunday. So thanks and have a good night.